This is awesome. This is awesome. This kind of like emergency radio that you can hear this. It's perfect. Works perfectly. No issues. But I'm gonna turn it off right now. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna tell you that this brand sent this to me, this emergency radio, that it works fantastically. I was not kind of like expecting this one to work this well. So it's a radio, 100%. You can do all the bands. You can do AM, you can do FM, you can do many of the other ones. It is also an emergency broadcasting radio. Like this one's gonna also pick up the emergency broadcasting radios, like for example, the weather radio if something happens, or in case of an emergency, that one actually will pick up with 7 different bands that you can, I know, like do with this one. I'm gonna show it to you in a close up in a few seconds. But with this one, you will have those broadcasting in case that something happens. You were maybe thinking that, okay, so this one I always need to get batteries. No, actually you don't. So you can put batteries in here, like in the bag. You can put the batteries right here, like 3 packs of batteries. You can put them there. You also have a solar charger right here. This is a solar panel, so it will be charging the battery that is inside. But if there is no sun or you are inside and you can't expose yourself to that, let's actually put this one down, the antenna. You have this crank over here. Now you can do this. And with this, you're going to be charging the battery inside. So you can actually do that as well and be always ready, always prepared. You have this right here, this handle, which also has a compass, again, in case that you are outside or something like that. And of course, you have the antenna just to make sure that you have the best reception. You have the turn on and the volume. Okay. Okay. So now we're blasting music, of course, but let me show it to you in a closer look for something else. Okay, here's how it looks. You have all the kind of like weather and broadcasting, emergency broadcasting bands over here. You have the tune over here as well. Let's actually turn it on one more time. Not too much. Like this. Okay, so we turn it off just because I don't want to have any music in my video. You have the bands over here. You have the charging display over here. This is the handle, as I was just telling you before, with the solar panel. But check this out right here. The front, you're going to find a flashlight. So that is also really cool to have. And then you may be thinking, okay, but I need one more thing. What happens if in case of an emergency or something like that? Well, let me show you. Prepare for something really loud. Okay, that's everything you need to know. This thing is pretty loud, so if something happens, you just hit that button and that's gonna be kind of like in the whole neighborhood, I gotta say. And then one more thing, this one, you can recharge it with a USB-C, but it also comes with a USB-A port, meaning that you can use this one as a power bank to charge your devices as well. And remember, you also have this kind of like dynamo just to keep charging it at all times, besides the solar panel and the batteries. This thing, it is pretty awesome. I gotta say that I'm gonna just keep this one in my patio, and if something happens, I'm always gonna be ready.